You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Hi, I'm Kurt Nye. Before you buy, give us a try.
Get ready to play big and save big with DeLand Nissan during the 2018 model year and savings events. Save on the 2018 Nissan Sentra, impressively styled and crafted just for you. Or the family-friendly SUV crossover, the 2018 Nissan Rogue or Rogue Sport. Or you can work smart and play hard in the 2018 Nissan Frontier truck. Save big on all 2018 models before the end of the year, but only while supplies last.
It's not just a Nissan, it's a DeLand Nissan.